Hi everyone, in this video, I will teach you how to add address and location info to Facebook page. Don't you worry, this will be quick and easy, so let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so first we're gonna open the Facebook application, and once you've opened, all you have to do is to tap on the menu icon on the top right part of your screen, right below the messenger icon. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you will see the menu, and on here, all you have to do is to make sure that the account logged in is the page. You can check that by checking on the profile tab, seeing the name and the profile picture of the page. And once you've made sure, all you have to do is to tap on your profile tab so that you'll be transferred to the page. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you'll be transferred to your page. All you have to do next is to scroll down for a little bit and head to the post tab. As you can see, there is already a location and address added here on my page. But don't worry, I'll still teach you. For the next step, all you have to do is to tap on see your about info. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you will be transferred to the about settings. And on here, as you can see, on the contact info category, you will see that there is an add address here on top most. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you will be asked to fill out the street, the city, the zip code, and to also input the map location. As you can see, I've already filled in the boxes needed. And for the next step, when you're done, all you have to do is to tap on save. And it is now added to our page. For checking, all you have to do is to go back to your page, and as you can see, it is added in our profile. And there you go. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.